To make sure our photo edits are completely professional and up to standard, there's one golden rule we always start with. This is step 1 in every pro-level edit. Right now, I've got the RAW file open in Camera Raw. If you look at the histogram, you'll notice that almost all the light and color are pushed into the darker range. So the very first thing we need to do is standardize the light and color in the image. For that, I'm going straight to the Curves tool. I start with RGB. Why? Because there's usually some empty space in the histogram here, and we always want to fill that gap. It's simple. I bring the highlights forward just a little. First, I adjust the reds, then move to the greens, do the same thing, and finally the blues. By doing this, we're filling in that empty space in each color channel. After that, I'll adjust the overall brightness to fine-tune the exposure. If you check the before and after, you'll clearly see how much better the light and color are balanced. Remember, before you add any effects or get creative with your style, always standardize the light and color first. Then you can edit however you want. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss the next tutorial.